Hey everyone, this is Tanvir. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to customize Ubuntu 24.04, the new release of Ubuntu. So let's begin the tutorial. First, go to your browser. You'll find the link of this page down in the description of this video. So basically I'm going to download the project file that we'll need to customize the desktop, and I have prepared this project file for you guys. So let's go to shop. So this is the one. Again guys, you can find the download link of this project file down in the description of this video. You can just download it from there, and thank you so much guys. I just cannot thank you enough for buying my membership, and this really helps me a lot and motivates me. So thank you so much guys. So alright guys, so let's download the project file. So once I have downloaded the project file, I'm going to close the browser and then go to downloads directory. So this is the project file. Quickly extract it and delete the zip file. Alright guys, now this part is very important. You have to make sure that you keep this project file inside the downloads directory. So I'm going to keep it over here. So paste it and delete this folder. Alright, so the file path should look like this. So downloads / project files. So guys, make sure that the path is right like this. So inside the project files here, you'll find a script.sh, and these are the wallpapers. So usually I only use one wallpaper for one customization, but this time I have decided to provide 5 wallpapers for you guys with the project files, so you can try out each one of them, whichever you like. So here what I'm going to do is go to download links, and I have given some links for the themes for Cony and icon pack. And so just paste it on your browser. So this is the icon pack. paste it, and this is the Cony theme, so paste it here. Let's close this. Now here I'm going to download the first one, which is Nordic Darker. Download that, and here I'm going to download Taylor Circle Black, and this is the Cony theme, so I'll download the one with the Celsius, this second one. Click on download, and we are almost done here. All right, now let's close the browser and go to downloads directory and extract this downloaded zip files or .tar files. So this will take a few seconds to extract. All right, now let's delete these zip files. We're not going to need them. Now I'm going to open the project file in a new window. So let's go inside the project file here, and I'm going to, all right guys, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go inside this Cony theme folder that I've just downloaded and drag this inside the project files like this. Okay, let's close it. I'm going to right click on an empty space inside the project files and go to open in terminal. And here I'm going to just simply run the script. So this is the script. So I'm going to type ./script.sh. Press enter, type your password, and it will install the script. So what this script is, this basically I have gathered all the necessary commands that you'll need to customize the desktop and put them inside the script, so that you don't have to type those commands one by one. And this is like a shortcut, so to make things easier for you guys, to make the work easier for you guys. So yeah, this script is basically that. Let's just wait for it to finish. Press Y, press enter, press Y again. All right, so if I go to, by the way, you need to press enter here. And let me just quickly show you the Ubuntu version, which is 24.04 LTS. All right, so this is done. Let's close the terminal. All right, guys, so the next thing that I'm going to do is go to your home directory and just select show here in files, and I'm going to open a new tab for the downloads directory. Put this aside, put this side by side, and then here go to dot themes and go inside the Nordic Darker, and I'm going to drag them inside the dot themes folder. Then go back here, and here I'm going to go dot icons, and then I'm going to copy or drag them inside the dot icons hidden folder like this. And that is basically it. All right, now type tweak, and here go to appearance, and then go inside, go select the icons that I've just added, which is this one. And as you can see, the icons have been applied. So now let's go to legacy applications, and here I'll select Nordic Darker V40 like that. By the way, before I do that, I have to do one more thing, and that is go to display settings, and here go to appearance and select dark. So this is looking good. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is install Google Chrome, because we're going to need Google Chrome to install the extensions, all the cool extensions. So let's go to browser first, and here type Google Chrome. Click on download Chrome and download the .deb file. Click on accept and install, and after it finishes downloading, I will show you how to install the .deb file through terminal. It's very simple, just a single line command. Alright guys, so this is the .deb file. So let's close the browser and go to downloads directory. Go to downloads, by the way. Yep, now let's go to downloads, and this is the Google Chrome file. Right click on empty space, click on open in terminal, and here type ls and copy this one and type sudo dpkg space -i, and then paste it, the path of the .db file. Type your password, and this should install the Google Chrome for us. All right, let's exit the terminal and search for Chrome. There it is. And now search for GNOME extensions. And here click here to install browser extensions. So we're going to need the browser extension for this to work. So click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and once this is done, click on GNOME shell integration and close these other tabs. And here I'm going to install a few extensions, so let me check the list. All right, we're going to need this one, user themes, and this one, extension list. Let's search for open bar and install open bar, and blur my shell, this one, and I'm going to install a menu which is called this one, Frippery applications menu. I know I pronounced it very wrong, but yeah, that, and let's see, Okay, a bunch of few things. mm, Show desktop, show desktop button, and then switcher, this one, places status indicator, this one as well. Alright guys, so let's just work with this for now, and I'll see if I missed something. So let's just install this first. And after you click the install button here, just wait a few seconds to install so that it can install the extension properly. Alright guys, so once I'm done with this, go inside the project files, and I have given a settings file for the open bar. So let's go to open bar settings, and here go to import and click on import, and I'm going to import the settings. So go to downloads, then go to project files, click on open. I have named the file open, so click on open. Alright guys, so for some reason it crashed, so I had to restart the system. I mean, this is Linux guys, so it can happen. Just so I just restarted the system, so I just rebooted the system, and so far looking good. Now let's go to open bar again, and all right. So it seemed like the first time it didn't work properly, so I had to import the file again. And alright guys, so I'm going to right click on the desktop and go to desktop icons settings, and here I'm going to deselect this one, show home folder, and here scroll down, and I'm going to change the panel position to bottom like this. Make the icons smaller. All right, now let's go to user themes, and I'm going to select Nordic darker. Alright guys, so go to extension list now again, and this time go to Ubuntu dock, and I'm going to make the icons to the center, place icons to the center, and close this. And now go to downloads, go to project files, and I'm going to change the wallpaper, which is let's try out this one. All right, let's go to blur my shell, and here go to applications and turn this on, applications blur, and click on add window, and I'm going to select the file explorer, and as you can see that it is giving this kind of all right. So deselect this one, opaque focused windows, and you'll good to go. And you can change tweak a little bit over here with the transparency. Yeah, I think this looks all right. Yep. That's all right. So if you press the Windows key and W key, or yep, and it will show this app menu on your desktop, and it doesn't look that great. So I'm going to change the settings here a little bit. So here, let's go to the extensions list and then go to switcher. Close that one first. Okay, let's go to switcher, and here let's change the font size and font size here as well, and bring down the width. Let's see how it looks now. It looks all right, maybe a little bit. Okay, okay, so this will work. Now let's go ahead and customize the terminal a little bit. By the way, we still have some work. Okay, so if I go to blur my shell, and here go to panel, and just deselect the blur my shell panel blur, because we don't need that. We're going for this look over here, something like that. All right, so let's go ahead, make the terminal transparent as well. So go to blur my shell, go to applications, scroll down, click on add window, select terminal, and right click on the terminal, go to preferences, and then go to profile. Yeah, then go to scrolling, and then deselect the show scroll bar to make it more clean and minimal, like that. Okay, and if I can change the font of the terminal, this will be nicer, I guess. So let's go for custom font. Let's go for this one. Let's see how it looks. All right, maybe make the font a little smaller. Okay. So let's change the initial terminal size, maybe like 20. Yeah, this one looks nice. Okay, so if you want, you can change the transparency of Google Chrome as well. So if I search for Chrome, and go to blur my shell, go to applications, add window, and select Google Chrome, and there you go, the transparency effect. By the way, my desktop is looking a bit choppy and kind of lagging a little bit, and that is because I'm using a very old computer, and on top of that I'm using VirtualBox because I have to install multiple ISOs at the same time to test the operating systems, and that is why. And if you install it on your system on a real machine, then it will look a lot smoother, and the refresh rate is very low as well, so that is why it's looking like that. So yeah, so as you can see that the transparent effect is on Google Chrome. So if you want, if you think this cool to have this kind of effect, then you can have it, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, so this is how our terminal is looking, and I think this looks pretty all right, pretty decent. And you can apply all these other wallpapers. So I have 5 wallpapers here. Let's try out this one. Yeah, and this looks pretty all right, pretty clean. And we have a, I don't know what this is, looks like a cat, but a bat cat or something like that. Alright guys, so the final customization that I'm going to apply on this desktop is the Cony, of course. So I'm going to search for Cony manager and select Cony manager, and then select run Cony at system startup, then go to location, click on add, and here right click and click on show hidden files, then go to .config, then go to Cony. Actually, just select Cony and click on open, and select .config slash Cony, click on, select that, click on OK, refresh, and as you can see that we have our Cony theme, botane.conf selected. And there you go, we have it here, our Cony theme. And don't worry, the weather will show up in a few seconds. It takes a bit of time, a few seconds to show up. And also we have a now playing section here, so if you play something, and it will show the title of that video or song or anything what you play, it will show right over there. And our temperatures is working properly as well. So the final thing that I'm going to show is go to project files, and you will find a readme text file over here. So if you go here, you can find the instruction to change to get the proper weather information for your exact location. So basically you have to go to openweathermap.org and just create an account. This is totally free, and get the city ID and API key for your location. And then so go to show hidden files, go to .config, Cony, go inside your Cony theme and go to scripts, and here you'll find this weather script. Open it with text editor, and here just change the city ID and API key for your location, and you'll get the exact location for your for your location. You'll get the exact weather for your location. Yeah, so that is it, guys. I really apologize for my bad English, and yeah, I hope I explained everything clearly. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like this video, and subscribe. This really means a lot to me, and thank you so much for the support, for buying my membership, and for the donation. And I just cannot thank you guys enough, and I will see you in the next video.